Hi, Mary and Jessica. Where are we today?
We are at Touch It Truck.
Awesome. You guys excited?
Station 8. Yes, we're all ready to go.
We're Delaware County's park district, kind of like Metro Park system. I believe it's 10 parks and 3 multi-use trails in the county, and what I do is patrol those, keep everybody safe, make sure the parks are kept clean.
And I'm with the Delaware County Railroad Safety Task Force.
Very good.
And we promote safety to the public about not playing around railroad tracks, how to cross railroad tracks safely, where to cross, where not to cross, where not to play.
Well, we brought the bookmobile from the Delaware County District Library, and Janet can kind of share what it does, but it goes all around the county. We're promoting summer reading as well. I'll let her kind of tell you what it does.
Well, we take this all over the county. We go from daycares all the way up to nursing homes. It's a cart service, so we take the carts off into the buildings, and we set up with a computer, and we can check in, check out. We bring a variety of material.
What I have here is a M998 ambulance,
Okay.
military ambulance. It is a litter-capable vehicle. You can take 4 patients out on the litter, or you can take 8 ambulatory patients.
Gotcha. So how often I guess I would ask, where was the last place this truck has been other than in Delaware?
It's actually brand new. It's
Okay.
in Delaware.
Gotcha. Very good. So what all capabilities do you all have as far as treatment in the field with this truck?
Typically what happens in the field is you have a line medic that's out with the soldier who will stabilize any kind of wound, and then we'll come up and we will continue to treat en route as we're evacuating the patient.
Gotcha. Tell me what you got here.
I have the mobile command post for the Highway Patrol.
Awesome. What all is that comprised of?
It's comprised of everything a post can do, the regular post, it's mobile.
Okay.
Next we have more capabilities, radio patching, internet, telephones, conferencing in the back.
Gotcha. How often does this get used?
It depends. It really depends. For this type of situation, it goes out a lot during the summer. You really can't predict what's going to happen, who's going to decide to do what they're going to do.
Gotcha. And what all? I guess my question: when does this get sent out? With the exception of like
it can be
PR
short-term
events?
situations. It can be long-term situations. It all depends on the severity. It depends on who the commander is, if they want to request it.
Gotcha. Fair enough. Cool. Well, thank you so much for showing us around.
All right.
Appreciate it.
All right.
(1922) Ford Model T.
Huh?
Ford did not make a pickup truck, so this wood body you see here came from a company called Martin Perry in Indiana. They built the bodies and then they were either shipped to you or to a dealership, and they would install this body and many others. Ford did make a 1-ton truck, but as I say, this is a very unusual body on this one.